Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.6, Problem 7. This is Section 4.6, Problem 7. It says 30% of what number is 150? So to do the problems in this section, we want to set them up as a proportion and solve the proportion. So for these, you want the sentence to read, A is P% of B. And that's not really what we have. It starts with the percent. So when you have to rearrange it, what you want to do is lock into the word of. That's what's going to tell you. So the 30% of what? That's 30% of B. That's what we want to have at the end. The other number, the 150, will be the A. So we want to rewrite this as 150 is 30% of what number? So the 30% of what number stays together. The of is what's going to tell you how you rearrange it. Now that you have the sentence arranged in that A is P% of B format, you will fill in A equals P over 100, and then you come back and put a B under the A. So you run it just like going around the circle. A is P% of B. Like that, you just go right around. And then you solve, and you should have only one unknown. So the A is the 150, is the equals 30%, is 100, of, so you come back under the 150, what number? That's the unknown. So we make it a B. So now we have an equation with one unknown. To solve for that unknown, we will cross multiply like that. Again, you can reduce this if you want to, or you don't have to. It'll come out to the same answer either way. So B times 30 is, we can just write 30B, or B30, it's the same. Equals, the other way, 150 times 100. So that's our equation. Now, the 150 times 100, those are very large numbers, but they're actually very easy to multiply. So what you want to do is just temporarily ignore the zeros and just think of it as 15 times 1. That's super easy. 15 times 1 is 15. Now, how many zeros did we ignore? 1, 2, 3. You put 3 zeros back. 15 with 1, 2, 3 zeros after it is 15,000. So 30B equals 15,000. Now, to solve for B, divide away the number that's multiplied with it. So B will be 15,000 divided by 30. Now, because they both end in 0, I can cancel a 0 right away. Essentially, I'm just dividing 10 into the numerator and dividing 10 into the denominator. 10 goes in evenly. Essentially, we just kill the zeros. We have 1,500 divided by 3. I can see that easily enough. That's 500. If you don't see it easily, either with your calculator, you can do 1,500 divided by 3 equals, and the calculator will tell you 500. Or if your teacher won't let you use a calculator, just do 1,500 divided by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. You have 15, no remainder, and then the others will just give you zeros. And you'll get the 500. I can just see it without actually writing out the math, because it goes in nice and even. But the answer is 500. So 30% of what number is 150? 30% of 500 is 150.